Hello there, this is fairbinaryoptions.com, as you can see on the screen, and we are looking at, or I am looking at Euro and the Japanese yen with some bullish eyes. First of all, it should be mentioned that this week is an important week, as we have the ECB on Thursday, the European Central Bank, as you very well know, with the interest rate decision, and so the ECB on Thursday and the non-farm payrolls in the United States that to come on Friday. That being the case, whenever you have such an important week in front of you, you should consider the fact that markets normally are consolidating Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then only to position for a break on Thursday and Friday. On the Euro and the Japanese yen, I would like to show you here a bit of the bigger perspective, if you want, on the currency pair, and I would like to add a bit of let's say bullishness, or a bit of a triangle that I think is going to break higher. Now, these markets that you can see here, and I'm talking about, of course, the daily chart, it is forming, or it formed something that looked like a contracting triangle here. Actually, it was a contracting triangle, but not like this and then to move low, because this move here, right, this move here is nothing but a corrective move, so it's no impulsive. Well, if this is no impulsive, then what it is? Well, it might very well be that this triangle here to be already completed, but in the following fashion. This to be the B2D trend line. Let's make it a bit bigger, like this. So this to be the B2D trend line, and this to be here. So A, B, C, D, and then the E. So this to be the A and C trend line, and this to be the B2D trend line. And now all eyes should stay on this trend line here to see if it is going to be broken to the upside or not. If it is going to be broken to the upside, which it may very well be the case, then this triangle should be the end, right? The end of a powerful move, and should signal a third wave extension impulsive move to the upside. Now let's zoom in, or not necessarily zoom in, let's go on a lower time frame and try to see this triangle here, what it means for the whole currency markets. And if this one here is going to be broken here, then this would be an extremely bullish break. However, it is not necessarily the break to come just like that. As you can see, it is way above the 140 level. Let's try to put the 140, as this was the element or the pivot level on the Euro and the Japanese yen. Just take a look here, zoom out a bit, or let's go on the daily chart as well, at the 140 level, as you can see. Now, a break on the 140 level will trigger pressure towards the B2D trend line, or this trend line here, and I would say that that is going to come no matter what. So as a consequence, I'm looking for market to be attracted now on the 140 level, then to be attracted on the B2D trend line here, and then of course on a break higher to see some acceleration on it. So as a consequence, I would like to buy call options on the Euro and the Euro and the Japanese yen, and this implies that the tone of the ECB is going to be a bit softer, if you want, and looking for a bit of more stability, and the Japanese yen will basically be sold off across the board. Now it remains to be seen if that is going to be the case, but the B2D trend line is definitely going to attract, at least for this week. So buying call options with end of week expiration date might be the case here on the Euro and the Japanese yen, as the currency pair is simply pretty nicely bid. So it remains to be seen, but nevertheless, call options for the end of the week, end of week expiration day. If you go and check our website, fairbinaryoptions.com, and you look at the Binary Options Academy, we have there a lot of projects involving contracting triangles and so on, and make sure you check them. Have a great day. Bye bye.